Hello everyone, Telangana TS Inter Results 2026 will be released today at 11 am. In this video, we are going to discuss how to check TS Inter Results 2026 for first year and second year. Step by step, so watch the video till the end. To check TS Inter Results 2026, open Google or Chrome browser and search here exam. Spelling is EXAM, exam, Sarkari, 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 RASUL, result, info, exam, Sarkari result, info. When you search exam sarkari result info with same spelling, the first website is open, exam sarkari result official website. To check result, click on it. Now scroll down and come into the board result section. The first update is Telangana TS Inter Results 2026 first and second year. Click on it. Now you can read all details about TS Inter Results 2026. Scroll down and come into the direct important link section. In the direct important link section, the first update is check TS Inter Results first year and second year. And second update is SSC results. SSC results has not declared yet. SSC result announced soon. To check Inter results, click on link 1 or link 2. Now the link is open. Select firstly year 2026 and first year or second year, and enter your hall ticket number and click on get momo, and results marks will be